Shopify versus eBay dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about dropshipping, and I'm going to be telling you about Shopify and eBay, and I'm going to be determining which one is the better option. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So first, I'm going to go ahead and review Shopify and tell you all about it and how you can basically find products on Shopify. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch to eBay. So first up is Shopify. So in Shopify, you have like these options in front of you. So you have add products, you have customized theme, and you have add domain. And then over here on the left side, you have orders, you have products, you have customers, you have analytics, marketing, discounts, and application. And then down below, you have sale channels. Now in sale channels, what that basically means is that you can add these different sale channels that can help you to sell products online. So what that basically means is that when you add these sales channels, so for example, let's take Facebook, for example. So if you add Facebook as your sales channels, what that basically means is that all of your products on your Shopify account can also be sold on your Facebook account. Same thing can be done with Google as well. So that's a thing to keep in mind. So you're basically not limited to only Shopify. You can expand your business onto other websites and platforms. And then you have your online store at the bottom, and over here you can customize your themes, you can customize your blog post, add pages, navigations, domains, and preferences. And then over here at the bottom you have your free themes, and then you have Shopify theme store where you can buy different themes. Now, I wouldn't recommend that because those themes are very expensive, and I'm talking about like $300 and $400 of themes. Like that's just too expensive. So now let's go back to our homepage, and over here let me just show you how you can basically add products. So there are basically two ways that you can add products. First one is manually. You basically come over here onto add products, and you basically find the product that you want to drop ship, right? So you basically enter in all the information manually. So basically you can enter in the title, the description, you add the media files, you add the pricings and cost per minute and cost per item, the SKU number, the barcodes, the quantity, the shipping methods, and stuff like that. So you basically enter in all the information manually, and that way you'll basically be able to sell them. Now the second way that I think is one of the easier way and best way is basically going into your applications over here, and what you want to do is you want to download a certain application called Obrello. So let's go ahead and search for Obrello. So this is the application that I was talking about. So they're basically this one as well. So you have Spocket and Obrello, but I personally use Obrello. You even have AliExpress dropshipping. So basically you have all these three applications that you can use to find dropshipping items and then sell them onto your Shopify account. But I use Obrello because I trust Obrello and I've used it in the past. So, and click on add application and just select the email that you have. You'll basically choose your account and choose your store. So over here, as you can see, it's asking our permission to install the app. So click on install app, and now you can log into your Obrello account. So once you have created an account, this is how it will look like. And over here you have on the left side a couple of different options. So what we need to do now is click on find product. And once we're over here, as you can see, these are all the products that are available to us and that are ready to dropship. As you can see, we are dropshipping from AliExpress. So let's just assume that this is the product that we want. So just simply hover your mouse over it and click on add to import list. And once it's added, simply go over to your import list over here on the left side, and you'll see the product over here. So what I want you guys to do is change the name. So let's go ahead and get rid of this name and this one over here, Bonsai Nightlight, and then just simply remove all the rest. Remember guys to change the name and make them simple as well. It'll help you to rank higher. And then you have variants. You can choose which variant to keep and which ones not to keep. Then you have pricings over here. You can change the pricings. Then you have description, and then you have images over here. You can choose whichever image you want to keep and change and stuff like that. Once everything is set, just simply click on import over here and choose in which status to import product. So draft or active. Let's just keep on draft. Okay, import as draft. And as you can see over here, wait a couple of seconds, and the product has been added into our Shopify account. So let's go back over here onto our Shopify account and click on products. So this is the product right here. As you can see, it has been imported successfully. Now to sell this product, all you have to do is set this product to active, set as active. Now set as active over here. So the product has now been active, as you can see over here. And once that it's done, you don't even have to do anything else. Now what you can do is you can add some different sales channels like Facebook so that you have more sources, but basically this is all that is needed. People will automatically will come over to your Shopify website and then, you know, try to buy that item. But before they buy that, how will they know about your website? For that, all you have to do is come over here in marketing section, and once you're over here, what you can do is you can start different campaigns. So as you can see over here, if we click on campaign templates over here, as you can see, we can grow our audience and brand awareness. So basically Shopify will promote our web store and our products over onto Facebook or Snapchat, or email them and send them ads on Facebook and stuff like that. Whichever one you choose, that is how they'll basically proceed. And once you have made a sale, that is when they'll charge you for the campaign. So I think that is pretty good. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to drop ship on Shopify. Now let's go ahead and move over to eBay. So when it comes to eBay, it's a lot more different. So as I said before, for Shopify, you had to create your own website, you had to create a domain name and find different products. Everything was automated. It was super easy, perfect for beginners. For eBay, on the other hand, you have to do a little bit more research. Basically, what you have to do is you have to go over to different websites such as Amazon or AliExpress or Alibaba. And from there, you'll basically find your products. And what you'll have to do is, let me just show you real quick. Let's just assume that this is the product over here, right? So let's just assume that this is the product that we want. All we have to do is just simply click on the product, and we'll have to copy the entire name of this product. And what we can do over here is we can go over here and click on sell and just simply enter in the name of the product. Simply click on get started. Over here, just simply enter in the name of the product, enter in the amount, and then just enter in the codes and stuff like that. And then what you have to do is you have to download all the images that are going to be shown over here and paste them over here and stuff like that. Now, another thing that you can do is you can search for drop shippers and see how they basically, you know, sell. So what that basically means is that let's come over here onto Walmart. And what I want you guys to do is just simply search for a product. Let's just say that, so this is the product right here. Let's just say that this is the product, right? So all we have to do is copy this item's name, and we go over here onto Amazon and we search for it, copy and paste it. And as you can see, this is the product right here. And what we can do next is we have to find the product that is more similar to this one over here. So this one looks pretty similar, but the images are different. So we need to find one with the exact same images. So I didn't find it. So let me just go over here and cancel that. So over here, as you can see, we have found it. So let's go. So this one is in black. So over here, I think this one looks similar, but it's not similar. What about this one? So yeah, the images look similar, but it's still not our drop seller. Okay, so this is what I was telling you about. So I've searched for these headphones right here. So these were the headphones. Let me just see if this is the correct seller. And yes, I think this is the correct seller. So as you can see over here, it's $42. Here is $39. So this person right here, this person is a drop shipper. So what we can now do is we can go ahead and search for his profile. Let's go ahead and click on seller information. And okay, so there is no information right now, which is kind of weird because this one was a drop shipper. So what I basically was trying to do was, you know, find a product, search for it for online, and then try to find other drop shippers. And then what we basically do is, then when we find a drop shipper, we basically see what types of items that they have, and then we, you know, find those products and try to sell them online as well. But unfortunately, this person did not have any products, which is kind of weird because he had the exact same images as the one on Walmart. So I guess that's that. But I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say over here. So the process is a lot more difficult than what I've shown you on Shopify. So in my opinion, I think that dropshipping on Shopify as a beginner is a lot more easier, because on eBay and other websites, when you dropship, you have to take account for many things such as copyright strikes or copyright infringements, or, you know, possibly your accounts could get banned as well. Like recently, in the past, you could dropship any product that you want, but right now, try to dropship a product from other web stores such as Amazon or Walmart, they'll basically ban your account directly. At first, they would give you warnings at first, They used to give you warnings, but now they don't. They just strictly ban your account, and you can't make an account anymore on eBay when you're banned like that. So keep that in mind. It's a lot riskier and it's a lot more work. So Shopify is the go-to for dropshipping when it comes to beginners. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.